2012, the same Tinubu organized protest against Jonathan. They dance at Ojota. But see it now, what goes around is coming around. Listen and listen very good. It is a good advice. It is a good advice. Why did I say that?
Yeah.
Someone called even as I died yesterday. Between Imo State, if you are coming from Anambra State towards Imo State, Akwobia, whatsoever they call that side, they say there are some set of group of men collide with the Nigerian Fulanis. They are there obstructing the movement of the people to Imo State. Even, and someone have already said it on radio, I heard this one within Nigeria here, on television even, that is some of them, when they reach there, they will come down, they will search them. Some of them have to pay 5,000 to sort them out. Who caused all this? Hope Uzodimma. The Ebubago you form them to join them to steal from the purse of your people. That is why the Ipob is telling them every good citizen of the Biafra should not listen to those criminals. Because they are criminals. They are not, they don't have us at hand. They are self-centered. They are full of themselves. And they don't care. Listen to me. And listen very carefully. Do you know that they have been fighting for minimum wage in this country? Because of this protest, Tinubu went and rushed and signed it. Because of this protest, he rushed because of the protest they are planning. Do you know what he went and do? He went and signed again the development of the eastern region. And this thing has been on his table for since. I don't know if you are getting it. They know what they are doing. They are selfish. They are selfish. Nigerians are going hungry. My brother, I'm a family man. The last time I went to market, a pint of beans, 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. The same Tinubu 2012, the same Tinubu organized protest against Jonathan. They dance at Ojota. But see it now, what goes around is coming around.
They are resisting the protest now. Tinubu now, they are resisting.
Tinubu is fighting so seriously, begging and pleading and bribing people.
Maybe no, not Tanas.
Bribing they know not to.
Not five. Not to come out.
Every corner bribing. Please talk to these people, because he knows the implication. You know what that means. Are you getting it? Let's tell ourselves the truth. All the citizens of Biafra, the youth, most especially the youth, should desist from this protest. We have the one we are fighting already. Let's hold on and finish it. So leave Nigeria issues with their protest. We don't have business. See, do you know that when you join this protest, they will end up putting it in your head? And not just only that, they will present it to the international world that we are still one, whereas we are not. Listen and listen very carefully. The only way you can get a maximum or a minimum justice in Nigeria, being an Eastern man, is when you have money. If you don't have money to spend, my dear, better go to bed. Because that is why they will do us anyhow and nobody speaks. Listen, I will not forget so soon, during the time of Obi as a governor of Anambra State, what is his name? Fashola, Lagos State governor. Fashola carries so many people that are from the east. He dropped them at the Niger Bridge. That they should go. What is that ringing in your ear? If you forget, I did not forget. Every step of every man under my watch, I think about it. I gave a reason to it. Obi saw him to court. What ends it? Did it come out anything positive? Because it's from the east. Because it's what? It's an Eastern man. It's an Igbo man. Listen and listen good. Each time they have issues here, they will go and face Igbo man business, break shop, collect their goods, and do. Is it Igbo man that is doing it? The Fulani keep Babisky. Fulani is the keep Babisky there at Oseni bus stop, and nothing happened. Fulani kill somebody. Oluwole, within 1 month. They kill some apart from other places. I'm talking about the ones I know. But what happened? But let's see Igbo man do anything. You will see them. See, let them carry their cross. If they like, let them protest. If they don't like, let them. Our own protest is sit at home. our own good protest, sit at your house. Hungry no go kill you. You have been surviving and God will keep on surviving you people. Yes, sit at home. Me, I am sitting at home. That very day, I will sit at home. I'm not coming out to protest. Protest for what? Are they not the one jumping? Oti wale, oti wale. Oti wale no need. When we face am, see, let me tell you, the only people that can make this thing very active are the Easterners. That is why they are like forcing it, trying, begging, doing all strategies to bring us out. But the thing is this, if the Easterners come out, are they going to be protected? That is the question. Mbah should hear this. Make sure you forward it to him. This is Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Snatchy, the only evangelist of the Biafran land that stand on nothing but the truth. The highest thing that can happen is death. That is the only thing that can happen to man, which I am not afraid of. Those that have tried it, they try it in their juju way. They see, say, they happen. They enter. Or they she, no be mouth. Because I know God that I am traveling. When you stand on the ground, stand and speak truth. When you face up, speak truth. The universe will stand by you and they will fight for you. The angels of the Lord, the angels of the truth will defend you. So let them sit at home. Because if anything happens, they will put it in their head. They say, not them do it. But if you sit at your home, sit in your house, let them do their protest. They are the one that carry Ashubaju there. They are the one that was in power. They do election. The youth to prefer the Obi. The Nigerian elders, the foolish cabals, self-centered cabals, enemies of progress, moving forward of a nation, they decided to carry Tinubu. Let them go ahead now and face it. So if their own youth want to protest, let their own youth come and protest. Let them leave Igbos alone. Let them do what? Leave the Igbo youth alone. They have killed us too much. How many are we? How many remain? Enough. And it's unfortunate that we have bad leaders in the Southeast who use this money to bring this youth out for them to be murdered again. The blood they have been sharing is not enough. They still want to share again. This time,
but do you think this protest will yield results? Do you think it's yield result? Just like the NSAS, we finally saw that there was no positive.
Listen and listen good. Every Eastern man has a foresight. That is why they need East. Nigeria cannot succeed in anything without East. They cannot survive in anything without East. Look at the first protest. How many hours did it last? 2 hours. Within a day, 2 hours. And they closed the chapter. Because the main engine is not there. Without engine and fuel, can you drive a car? Even when your tire bursts, you can even manage it to vulcanizer place. But where they don't have engine, they don't have fuel, can you move it? No. So they need engine and fuel. And that engine and fuel is in the hand of the rejected stone. Until they recognize that stone that they reject, which is no longer possible. Which is no longer possible. Before I used to believe that we are one Nigeria, but now they have made me to understand that we are not. I believe it. Even I will not forget so soon. Some years back. Yes, during my school days, I am not boasting, I'm not bragging. The Yorubas, some of them in my school days, I had them to pay school fees. I don't mind. I believe we are one Nigeria. But now, my brother, the way the color they show me and the character, the attitude they display give me, Baba, God have already told me to continue doing good. I will continue to do good, but I go think I go reason and before I do. May God have mercy on me. You said, what is his name? Asari Dokubo. Is that a name? No, I am asking, is Asari Dokubo a name? Call him a confused person. Asari Dokubo is very confused. He doesn't know what he's saying. He have not even control ordinary that region of his own, Ejo, not to talk of talking to Southeast as a whole, the Easterners as a whole. Who is Asari Dokubo? Who know Asari Dokubo? He's a kitchen farmer. Nothing but a kitchen farmer. He knows nothing. The Fulanis came to his village and took all that belongs to them. Asari Dokubo, where were you? How many times have you rise to protect the citizens in Niger? The youth in Niger? The ones that have murdered in a co-block? How many times do you stand? How many times do you rise? How many times do you defend them? I want to know. And I would like you to challenge. I want you to talk. I want to look at when you are ranting, promoting APC government and doing all sorts. At the end of the day, because you are too selfish, self-centered, you were doing it expecting that Asiwaju will give you a slaw because you are a harlot. Because Asiwaju understand the game better than you. And the same mouth which you use to promote Asiwaju and call him a better names is what you use to condemn him. Are you not a coward? Are you not being stupid? Are you not being senseless? My brother, don't be a fool. It is better for you to join the game and be wise. Wake up! Because I believe you are still sleeping.
But he has said Tinubu should allow Igbos go. That since Igbos they don't want to be together with Nigeria again, they should let the Igbos go.
Who is Asari Dokubo? In the first place, I've told you, it's nobody. As long as I am concerned, he will not be the one to tell Nigerian government what to do. After he has never for one day supported the Igbos. He has never for one day agreed that he's an Igbo man. Because they turn him down. If a gamble here, a gamble here, a gamble here, a gamble here. He's not steady. He doesn't know his ground. Listen and listen very carefully. Are you listening to me? Yeah. Asari Dokubo should go and search very well where he come from. Let him search the origin of his blood group. Where did he belongs to? Because original Igbo man doesn't behave like that. Maybe people like him, the group of Hope Uzodimma and Sunday, but the foolish ones. I know in a place where there is good, we always have the bad eggs, such as Mbah and Hope Uzodimma and somebody like Dokubo. Check out the name Dokubo. God bless you, my brother. Leave those ones. They are not even a headache to us.
They're not a headache.
At all, Dokubo should go and trace himself first before talking to the Southeast.
So the Biafrans, they should ignore all what he's saying and focus on the Ekpa cause and the Biafra cause.
Definitely. Simon Atan is the man that are proven to us.
But he has said that with somebody in Finland, be controlling the Biafran land. They say, how is that possible?
Listen very carefully. There is what we call mandate. And there is what we call cross. Hear me. God, where is God? God is in heaven, but God uses men on earth to do something, to do the undoable. Are you hearing me? Simon Akpan standing today because I don't know if you listened to his telecast yesterday. It was worldwide. I followed for over 3 hours. I was with him live. Different countries, from different countries, making calls, asking him, throwing questions. If you listen to the answers, you will know that this man truly, God has given him 1,000 wisdom men of a truth. Yes, men and women are ready that are from the Biafra people. They are ready and they are willing to go. And they are willing to stand. Are you hearing me? Don't be in the dark. The truth is establishing one day. And remember, every journey starts a day. Are you hearing me? So he said that they should sit at home. Yes. He has unfinished business. There is something, listen to me. There is something that the people did not understand about him and Nnamdi Kanu. They are not cowards like them. I listened to him yesterday live. He said, being an educated person, there are procedures. And those procedures is what Nnamdi Kanu did. You know, we have Simon Akpan, but we did not know him as one like this. Until when Nnamdi Kanu now opened his eyes, when Nnamdi Kanu now educated him and put him through, he now carried the step where Nnamdi Kanu stopped. He took over from there to finish the unfinished business. Are you getting it? And that is why he's coming out smoking. 2023, do you know what have happened? Do you know that the Nigerians have been killing the Easterners, the Igbos, and nothing happened? Listen and listen very carefully. Remember, before today, Operation Python dance. My brother, if you lost your beloved son, or your beloved brother, or a friend, somebody just normal protest like this, as they are planning it now, then you go and use arm and armor tank. How will you feel if you are the surviving person in the family?
Very, very bad.
How will you feel? Definitely you will not be happy. No, if you are talking, don't not because the thing did not happen to you, it did not reach you. Are you getting it? We are humans. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So what Simon Akpan is doing is for the benefit of the Southeast, the Biafrans as a whole. Are you hearing me? It's for the benefit of everybody. Listen to me. They ask him, how will this thing be? And how the Biafrans are. He says it's a home of peace, that the Biafra will be a place whereby other nations would like to copy. Are you hearing it? Many nations in Africa, even in the world, will like to do what? Copy Biafra. Don't worry. Then I ask him a question. Is it within 5 years? He said, first and foremost, let's get what we are looking for. Then building it, there is no need of talking. Seeing is believing. Are you getting it? Yeah. So Simon Akpan is there. He's over there doing the right thing. And let me tell you for your own information. But the truth is this, that the Nigerian government doesn't tell us the truth that we need to hear. Are you getting it?
In the Southeast?
Not in the Southeast, in Nigeria as general. They don't tell us the truth. What is happening? Are you getting it? In the world at large, Nigeria is conquered. UK and Nigeria, they are regretting for arresting Nnamdi Kanu. For your information, in case you don't know. They are regretting it today because they never knew that this thing will go to this extent.
But they are regretting, why have they not releasing?
No, listen to me. Somebody asked a question. And they asked Simon Akpan. I'm telling you, this is live. That was yesterday. Something that took place yesterday. They asked him, what do you think or how will you feel if 2 days or 3 days or some days before the declaration of Biafra in Finland and then now releasing Nnamdi Kanu, what do you think that will happen? Went to the agitations. And he answered, he said there's a difference between agitation, Biafra agitation, and the kidnapping of Nnamdi Kanu. Are you getting it? It was illegal. It was a kidnap. They kidnapped him. So they need to free him. The man that was in the position then, Buhari, whether the living Buhari or the dead Buhari, are you hearing me? That kidnapped him in Nigerian court of law under the constitution of Nigeria. He defeated him. And the court conclude everything and set him free. Okay, you are free to go. Out of shame and disgrace, they don't want to let him go. And he himself now asked them, oh yeah, let's take this matter to ICC, International Criminal Court. They know born Nigeria where to take him there. Because they know international bodies have even issued warning to Nigeria to release that man. He's an innocent. So he has no business with our agitation. Arresting him or releasing him has no business. And arresting he cannot stop it. Releasing he cannot stop it. I don't know if you are getting me. So they have reached the bridge. What remains now is to cross it.